Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable or disable alert when phone is picked up on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on motion. Click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on emotion and gestures. After click on motion and gesture, you will see alert when phone picked up is here. If you want to disable alert when phone picked up, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, alert when phone picked up is disabled. If you want to enable alert when phone picked up, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, alert when phone picked up is enabled. You will enable or disable alert when phone picked up is enable or disable from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable alert when phone is picked up on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.